I'm going to be using the counting method to do a subtraction problem. So I'm going to set my menu in first, and I have to see where I want to set it because this has decimal points in it. This problem has decimal points in it. So I'm going to see, do I have 3 or more decimal point digits after the decimal point? And I do not. I only have 2. So that means that I can set it using the first unit marker as my decimal point from the right of the abacus. So if I had more than 3, I would have to go to the next unit marker, which would be between the thousands and the millions period, and I would have to use that as my decimal point. But I don't, so I can come back over here and use the one between my hundreds and thousands period. So this unit mark will be my decimal point. I'm going to set my whole number, my 25, to the left of that unit mark. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 exchange. And then I'm going to set my 3 to the right of that decimal point, that unit mark. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to subtract my subtrahend, which is 17.22, or $17.22. And so I'm going to push away from the counting bar for the 1 and the 17, and then the 7. 1, 4, 5 exchange. Oops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 exchange, 7. And now I'm going to subtract the 2 to the right of my decimal place in the tenths. 1, 2. And now I need to subtract the 2 in my hundredths. And I don't have any beads pushed up to the counting bar, so I have to go to the tenths. And I'm going to count 1 and do my 9, 10 exchange, 2. And I get my difference, which is 8.08, or $8.08. And that's how I do a problem with the decimal point using the counting method in subtraction.